Gonna score him out in a minute, Chris. About his chin. A boy.
That
boy. Good job. There you go. All right, get situated. Yeah. That boy. Get around there. Yeah. That a boy. Good job, buddy.
Rodney Nelson, Jim Peterman, right here, please. Rodney Nelson, Jim Peterman.
Good job.
Accidentally around to the box of 24, all children Brightwood. Jacob Johnson and Jeff Peterman, right in, please. Willis, Little Pat Wells at 19, Bo Wells, Russell Jordan at 20. Trenton and Trevor, right in, please. Trenton and Trevor.
Bow down to the entry office, bow down to the entry office. Austin Gordon, Stinson Ellis, right in, get set. They're going to be clean, 8 and 14, giving us a 47-17. So they move